Huawei MatePad is the latest Android tablet from Huawei in the MatePad series, and today we are going to have a detailed review of the device. So let's start it. Huawei MatePad, also known as MatePad 10.4, comes with a very minimalistic design with a nice matte finish that looks beautiful and also feels good while holding the device in hand. The curved edges give a premium look to the device. Bezels around the screen are not much thick, and the metal build quality is nice as well. Officially, there is no information available whether there is any kind of protection on the screen of Huawei MatePad, and one major drawback of the design of MatePad is that it does not have the 3.5mm headphone jack. But the relaxing part is that Huawei provides a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter in the retail box of the Huawei MatePad. It comes with Kirin 810 processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and there is a microSD card slot provided as well that supports up to 512GB of memory card. The device runs on Android 10 and the Emotion UI 10.1. Huawei MatePad is available in two variants, Wi-Fi only or the Wi-Fi plus LTE model. The LTE model allows you to put a SIM card in the device, and you will also be able to make voice calls from the MatePad 10.4. All of these hardware aspects contribute in overall nice and smooth performance of the device. You will be able to do multitasking easily on Huawei MatePad and play few of the most high-end heavy graphics games without facing any issue. You can also watch our detailed gaming review of Huawei MatePad to get a better idea about the performance and gaming capability of the device. Huawei MatePad features a 10.4-inch 2K resolution screen with 84% screen to body ratio, and because of that, the viewing experience is quite good. It comes with TUV Rhineland certified blue light filter mode that helps you in using the device for longer duration without putting a strain on your eyes. The screen is bright enough to be used outside in sunlight without facing any issue. It comes 4 Harman Kardon speakers, so when it comes to entertainment, whether watching videos or playing games, you will enjoy it on Huawei MatePad because of the great audio quality and a large screen with 84% screen to body ratio. It comes with a massive 7250 mAh battery that lasts really long for sure. One interesting point here is that even though the device is capable of 18W fast charging, it comes with a 10W charger in the retail box. So if you got any Huawei supercharged charger for your smartphone, then you can use it with your Huawei MatePad for charging it at a better speed compared to the charger that you are going to get in the retail box. Guys, if you're finding this video useful, then please press the subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for the future uploads. When it comes to productivity, Huawei MatePad is a winner. It comes with the support for the M Pencil that you can use to unleash your creativity on the MatePad tablet. It also supports a smart keyboard that will be available with the device to convert it into a better productive device for texting and writing purpose. And then we got the app multiplier feature that let user use the same app in two different windows side by side. The app multiplier feature is available and compatible with many regional applications as well. The multi-screen collaboration feature is also available on Huawei MatePad, using which you can mirror your smartphone screen on the tablet and control the smartphone from the tablet itself or share the files between two devices. The multi-window feature is also smart on Huawei MatePad, and it allows you to use up to 3 windows on the screen at the very same time. The Google mobile services are not available on Huawei MatePad, but it comes with Huawei App Gallery, using which you can download nearly every single application that you use in your daily life, from the popular global applications and games to the regional ones. You can also use the App Finder application that is especially designed to search the popular application in the Huawei App Gallery. Huawei MatePad comes with an ebook mode that converts the display of the device into gray color to give the book-like appearance, reduce the strain on your eyes, and it also monitors your sitting posture and the viewing distance to remind you while using the ebook mode to fix them. And then we got the kids corner that consists of ebook mode, brightness alert that reminds the kids to reduce the brightness if it is too much for their eyes. It consists of the blue light filter and the posture alert as well. And then there is a nice feature to give the notification for the bumpy roads. The kids corner also let the parents to manage your child's screen time. You can set the daily limit or available hours, length per session, and the rest between 2 sessions. So if you are planning to buy a tablet for your kids, then this is one of the best options for you just because of the kids corner itself. The 8 megapixel front and rear cameras are good enough for casual photography and come with some nice camera features and modes as well. The quad microphone on the top of the tablet are particularly great for video conferencing and also for audio recording. Overall, Huawei MatePad is one of the best tablets in its price segment. It comes with a nice design, good build quality, nice performing hardware, a big 10.4 inch screen with 84% screen to body ratio, a massive 7250 mAh battery. The 4 Harman Kardon speakers are great for the entertainment purpose, and when it comes to productivity and software based features, Huawei MatePad is one of the best Android tablet for sure. Few drawbacks here are that we do not have any kind of protection on the screen. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack provided, and even though the device is capable of 18W fast charging, it comes with only 10W charger in the retail box. So what's your opinion about the Huawei MatePad Android tablet? Feel free to share your feedback in the comment section below, or if you just want to know about something regarding this tablet. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.